Welcome back to the Skid Factory. As most of you guys know, Alan and I both enjoy riding the dirt squirters on our days off. So we are out in the Noosa Hinterland on the KTMs, ready to have some fun. So got a couple of mates with us today. Got a mate Luke and another mate Jason, and bloody hot. We're not going to have a long ride, we're just going to have a cruisy one, so let's get amongst it. Oh, trees! It's a lot drier. We were out riding with a mate a couple of weeks ago with one of our mates, Jason. I'll link his video, but it was super wet out here. Good old KTM. Hey, no electric start here, boys. Oh, stinky water.
We've done this before. This is that one that we all got stuck on and Marcel rode around it.
Who was that with us? Oh yeah. I'm already bugging and I went way too fast through that puddle and just covered myself in stinky mud. Oh. It's not just KTMs where the starter doesn't work. Lucky that was a small tree. So everyone else has already gone up. I made it like 2 meters and stalled it, so this is where it gets a bit tricky. Taking that scenery, has those hills, super nice. It's a hot day, but it's 100% worth it. Very shaking us loose. All the trees. Oh, they got my leg, and I stalled it. You made it further than me.
I would have made it a lot further than my way.
Sorry, mate.
Gonna be full send from Woody. I can hear him talking himself up. Come on, Woody, you can do it.
All right. Take 2.
It's actually downhill, it just looks uphill.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, a bit of a breather, and now we're back into it. Going small single trail goodness. That was steep.
Big roots and big ruts here, just gotta hit it hard as you can. Pretty shit.
I just scooted
Woody was raging hard.
Oh, great success. Yeah, dog. Thanks for the ride, man.
That's it. Thank you.
That's going to be my thumbnail. You doing a wheelie.
Nice.
Alright, that's us done and dusted. As you can tell, I'm bloody exhausted, but it's all, you got to do it for the fun. Indulging myself in the lemon squash now. We're going to load the bikes up. Such a fun ride today, and if it weren't for those golden tyres on the back, that GT 333, I think we would have been stuck in a lot of cases. Gotta love these days out here. It's bloody hot, but it's all worth it, and looking forward to the next ride. If you want to see more dirt squirting content, let us know, swing us a comment. Or if you want to see any more dirt bike content in general, let us know, swing us some ideas. That's the bikes all washed up. I just thought I would mention, if you want to see some more dirt squirting content, check out our mates Josh and Nat from MVDBR, and also another mate Joe from Jojo Moto. They ride some local trucks around here a lot and they produce some really good content. So make sure you check those guys out. There's even a couple of videos where we join them in a couple of rides. So once again, thanks for watching. See you next time.